83% supporting an independent scientific evaluation of the clinical relevance of animal experimentation.
Well, for the benefit of medical science, I agree that vivisection or animal experimentation should be stopped. And there are a lot of reasons to that. The most important is that it is simply misleading, and the past and the present both testify to this. The animals are unique in their own ways. Every creature is, but they are not exactly like the human model. They're different. So the great advances that brought us where we are, they do not owe their existence to animal experimentation, period. And I firmly believe that animal experimentation does inevitably leads to human experimentation, something that we want to avoid. In order to eliminate vivisection, the best way to go is to educate ourselves, our own families, our friends, our work colleagues, our community, the world at large. They should know the facts as they are. I do certainly agree that animal experimentation or vivisection should be abolished